Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be animating this animation that you see in front of you. So we have a rotation based on an anchor point, and then we have a car rotating and moving on a path. Even though path-based animation and object stuff does not exist right now, like an object moving on a path, but it does because as you can see, it's working. So yeah, let's get into it. The first thing is, this one is really simple and it's going to take a matter of seconds. There's this option, and this option is edit anchor point. Once I click that, I can move this anchor point anywhere. I'm just going to move it here. And this is going to allow me to move this object from its anchor point, right? So I'm going to go ahead and actually get started based on its position that's here from 0. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say I want to rotate this object. And on rotation, I want to go ahead and do a custom rotation. It's going to start at 0, and then it's going to go till maybe 270 or 240. 240. Or let's go ahead and actually make it something like this. Okay, I think that's done. Let's go ahead and start this animation. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice. How many seconds did that take, right? Space, it looks good, but I actually do want to make it a bit larger because we want this to animate while the car is going on. So let's make it till 1000 and also make this a bit custom Bezier curve because as many of you know, I actually like the custom Bezier curve. So I think something like this should be okay. So I think this looks good. Okay, now coming to the more complicated one, which is the car. Now, a lot of people don't really understand that you can have multiple points for a car to move when you're actually choosing its position. So by default, the car is going to be here. So I'm just going to go ahead and move it slightly so I can have this position marked for the position of the car. And let me just go ahead and collapse it. Then when we have that, we're going to go ahead to, let's say, another anchor point, maybe 600. And this car is going to move at 600 about here. And then we're going to go ahead and say, since this is a curve, then the car is going to be going a bit smoothly, a bit slower than normal. Then it's going to go here. And then at 1600, maybe it's going to reach here, right? So I think that's pretty much what we need. Now that we have that done, it's going to start from here. Now, one thing that I do want, if you press the command key or control key, you're going to get controls like this. So I can go ahead and I can tweak this particular path very similar to a pen tool. Very similarly, I can go ahead and I can tweak this path, right? So I probably don't need to tweak that one. So I'm just going to tweak this one. And once I have that done, we're just going to go ahead and make this smaller, make this one a bit. Now I'm pressing like option here. Maybe I think it's like Alt on Windows so that I can decide each individual curve, very similar to how I would do it. Let me actually fix it a bit as well. And then we're going to go a bit here. And then on this one, we're going to tweak it a bit, like something like this. Let's move this as well slightly. Obviously, you guys can play around with this. And here, I am also going to have a path like this. And then let's go ahead and reduce this particular one. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, I think this is fine, but I actually need a path here as well. So let's go ahead and make it like this. If we make it like this, obviously, I can go ahead and then tweak this one to go a bit above. And there you go. Our path animation is done. If I run it, as you can see, we have the car animating. Obviously, I want to make it slower here. This is fine, but this is too fast. So let's just go ahead and actually make that a bit slower. And let's see if this looks good. It still doesn't look good. I need to make it even more slower on the top. So let's go ahead and this particular point, let's just go ahead and increase it. Okay. I think this is going to be fine. Yes, I think this is fine. And I don't want to do a ping pong or anything along those lines. So let's just go ahead and do this. I think the animation should be 4000 seconds so that it actually pauses for 1 second after it's complete. Okay, I think this is good, right? And maybe we increase this particular one as well a bit. So there you go, that's increased. So we have both of these animations going on. Now coming to the rotation, obviously rotation should be pretty simple and we're going to do it very similar to how we did the other part. To the rotation, I'm going to go ahead and just add a rotation here. Very simple rotation. Is it starting from 0? That's important to know. What is the starting point actually starting with? It's okay. We don't want to do this. We actually want to do a custom rotation here. It's going to start from 0. And then after a particular point, To get to this point, I can just double click it and it's going to be there automatically. So at this point, I want to rotate it like this. So let's just see what the animation looks like. So as you can see, oh man, it's drifting. I actually really like it. Okay, that's fine. It seems like it's drifting. Okay, that's fine. Let me just increase that a bit slightly, the timeline. And then we have the other point. Let's get to the other point, which is this one. Here, the car should be something like this, I think. And then we have another point, which is the last one. At this point, I think the car should be something like this. Now, you don't actually have to work on the same anchor points. You can work on a different anchor point because we may need that for this animation. So let's just go ahead and actually play the animation. So we have the car here. Okay, here it looks a bit weird because here, when it goes here, I think it should rotate, right? So I'm going to add an anchor point here for the rotation. I actually don't even have to add it. I can just go here and I can rotate it myself. So it's going to be something like this. And then let's have a look at the animation. Okay, is it good? Yes, I think this is fine, but this particular piece is not fine. So we're going to go ahead and rotate it a bit like this as well. And then I think it should be, okay, maybe at the end, the car should be facing the pin more. So maybe something like this. Okay, let's have a look at the whole animation. Actually, let me just close motion and let's see the whole animation. Okay, I think this looks fine, even though I think at the end, it's still a bit fast. We can make it slower. Let me actually go ahead and make this particular one's a bit slower. So let's go ahead and increase the animation completely. Actually, not increase it. Let's just increase this particular anchor point. And very similarly, let's increase this particular anchor point. And for these two in the middle, let's also go ahead and increase them. This one a bit here, this one here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. So that's our path animation. Let me make it 5,000 so we have a break at the end as well. Let's play it. There you go. I think the animation is done. And this is what I promised in this video. So if you like it, do subscribe to hit the bell icon and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.